So if you want to adjust the bass on your JBL Flip 7, you need to go to the JBL Portable app. Now, of course, your phone needs to be connected to your speaker. And if you launch the JBL Portable app, you can open up your Flip 7. And then you want to go to the equalizer. So that's going to be at the top. And then you have your default equalizer settings for different modes. So you have the chill mode, you have the JBL signature, which is default, and then you have custom. So you can tap on custom and then tap edit. Now this is where you can adjust the bass. Now on the left hand side, you have your low frequencies, which is generally your bass and treble. So this is where you can increase. You can increase the bass or reduce the level of bass. Okay, so with these two, you can play around and reduce the bass and increase the bass with these two settings on the left hand side. So on the left hand side, you have your low frequencies, then you have your mid range, and then the highs. So that's basically how to adjust bass on your JBL Flip 7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.